Imagine a small, black wooden house, a striking contrast against the backdrop of nature's vibrant hues. The house itself is a study in modern minimalism, a sleek, almost cubist structure that seems to both blend with and stand out from its surroundings. The dark, almost charcoal-colored wood gives it a sense of understated elegance, a quiet confidence that speaks of thoughtful design and a connection to the earth. Large, expansive glass doors form the primary entry, inviting the outside in and blurring the lines between the interior and exterior worlds. These doors aren't just functional, they're a statement, a promise of open spaces and a seamless flow between the built environment and the natural one. They offer a glimpse into the minimalist interior, hinting at a carefully curated space where simplicity reigns supreme. Inside, the minimalist aesthetic continues, creating a sense of calm and serenity. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a neutral color palette dominate the space. Natural materials, like light-colored wood flooring and perhaps exposed beams, add warmth and texture to the otherwise minimalist design. The focus is on functionality and essential elements, with every piece of furniture and decor chosen for its purpose and beauty. The house sits nestled in the heart of nature, surrounded by trees, perhaps a meadow, or even a rocky landscape. The location is key to the house's charm, offering a sense of seclusion and tranquility. Large windows throughout the house frame the surrounding scenery, turning the landscape into a living work of art. The changing seasons become a part of the home's decor, constantly shifting and evolving, providing a dynamic connection to the natural world. The overall feeling is one of peaceful retreat, a place to escape the noise and chaos of modern life. The small black house becomes a sanctuary, a place to reconnect with oneself and with the natural world. It's a testament to the beauty of simplicity, a reminder that less can truly be more. The house, though small, feels expansive, thanks to the clever use of space and the seamless connection to the outdoors. It's a modern haven, a minimalist dream nestled in the heart of nature.